This tutorial looks at independent events. So sometimes we can find that if we're trying to find the probability of A given that B has already occurred, that this is just probability of A. If this is the case, then this is actually suggesting that B's done nothing or has no impact on A. So these two events, A and B, are said to be independent. So when we find that the probability of A given B is equal to just the probability of A, then B has no impact on A, and hence they are independent. If two events A and B are independent, then something we can get out of this is that the intersection of A and B is going to be equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. The reason we can get this to work is actually using a few different properties. So we're going to use this original property of A given B is equal to probability of A. We know that conditional probability has a formula of the intersection divided by the probability of B. And because we know that the probability of A given B is equal to the probability of A, we can actually replace that A given B as A, i.e. replace this with the probability of A because we have this property up the top. So we can replace that. And then if we multiply both sides by the probability of B, what we actually end up out with is the probability of A intersection B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B, which is exactly what we've got in this formula here.